Rohit loves to go out with his mother. So one day, while they went out, they entered a shop to have a burger. And Rohit was surprised to see the menu card. The menu card mentioned the prices of the burgers as 150, 100, and 170. So he was very surprised because he knew numbers only till 99. So he knew only two-digit numbers. Now, what are these three-digit numbers? These numbers have three digits in them. So he started thinking and he became very curious that what are these numbers actually? Do numbers after 99 also exist? Let us see. So these are all the numbers which Rohit had learned from 0 to 9, the one digit numbers, and then from 10 to 99, all the two digit numbers. But what are these three digit numbers? What are these new numbers coming up? And immediately after that, Rohit saw his mother giving this currency note to the shopkeeper. The number written on the note was 200. So once again, it has three digits. So he became even more curious. What is this number now? 200. Once again, a three digit number. Now, after they went back home, Rohit saw a report card lying on the table. It was his elder brother's report card. So he just opened it and he saw these are his marks written. But once again, when he saw the total marks, he saw these three-digit numbers coming up. So Rohit finally asked his mother, what are these three-digit numbers actually? I know numbers only till 99. So let us see what happens after 99. Well, this is 9999. Now we know that 9 is the trouble number. Two nines means double the trouble. So what happens when we have a 9 in the ones place? For this 9 to change to 0, this number should increase by 1. So this 9 changes to 0 and this 9 increases by 1. That is becomes the next number. What comes after 9? 10. So this is what we have. 10 and a 0. 10 and a 0. But we know that these rooms, the tens room and the ones room, are very small. They can have only one digit at a time. But there are two digits right now in the tens room. So this one will shift to another room, to the left of tens room. So this one will shift to another room. And we have a new room here. And what is the name of this room? This room is called the hundreds room. So this one goes and sits in the hundreds room. So first we have the ones room. To the left of ones we have the tens room. And to the left of tens we have the hundreds room. 1 is there in the hundreds room. And what is this number? 100. This is the first three-digit number. So we see that there are three digits. 100. It is the first three-digit number. And what is this number called? In the hundreds room, we have 1. So this number is called 100. Remember, it is not 100s. The name of the room is hundreds with an S. But the name of this number is just 100 without an S. So this is 100, 100. And Rohit was very happy to know this number. Now, what are the other three-digit numbers? So we have 100. Now, what comes after 100? So what happened in the case of two-digit numbers? Let's see. So after 10, I have an 11. And then a 12. So I see that the ones digit keeps on increasing by 1. So from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so on. Whereas the tens digit remains the same. That is, the digit on the left remains the same till we reach a 9. Similarly, for the 20s, the ones digit increases by 1, whereas the digit on the left remains the same. Similar thing happens here. So this 0 increases by 1 and becomes a 1. That is, the 0 in the ones digit becomes 1, whereas these digits to the left remain the same. What will come after 101? So this 1 will increase and become 2, whereas these 2 will remain the same. So I'll have 102. What will come after 102? So this will remain the same, this will remain the same, and after 2, I have 3. So 103. Similarly, after 3, I have 4. After 4, I have 5. After 5, 6. So on till 9. And this remain the same. That is, the hundreds digit and the tens digit remain the same. And what comes after 109? So what will come after 109? So once again, 9 is the trouble number. So for 9 to change to 0, 10 should change to the next number, that is number 11. So 110 is the next number. So the next number is 110, and once again the same thing continues. So 0 becomes 1, which is the next number, and these two remain the same. 1 becomes 2, and these two remain the same. So we have all the numbers till 119. So 111, 112, 113 till 119. And this is how we can keep on proceeding. So we see that these are all the numbers from 100 to 149. So in these numbers, we see that the 1 of hundreds digit remains the same, whereas the other numbers are from 0 to 49, and after 49 I have 50, 51, 52 and so on. So one of the hundreds remains the same, whereas the numbers increase from 0 to 99. So we have 199. So can you tell me what is the next number after 149? So 9 is the trouble number. So for 9 to become 0, these numbers should increase. So 14 should become 15. So 150 was exactly the number which Rohit saw on the menu card. So 150. Now what comes after 199? So for 9 to become 0, 19 should become 20. So 200, and this was the number that was written on the currency note, 200. Now what comes after 300? So after 0, I have a 1, and the other digits remain the same, 301. So the number is 301. What comes after 529? For 9 to become 0, this number, which is 52, should become 53. So after 529, I have 530, which is the total marks on the report card which Rohit saw. So 530. Now Rohit knows all these numbers. These are the different 3-digit numbers. Now what comes after 726? After 6, I get 7, and the other numbers remain the same. So 727. Now what about 998? What comes after 998? After 8, I have a 9, and the other numbers remain the same. So I have 999. This is also a 3-digit number. So 999 is the largest 3-digit number we can have because there are 3 nines, 999. Now what about the number after that? Well, there are numbers after that as well, but we'll learn them later. So these were the different 3-digit numbers. So starting from 100, 100 till 999. So there are many 3-digit numbers. So write down all the numbers and practice them and learn them all. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.